Are you looking for an interactive, scripturally rich lesson for older elementary or middle school students? If so, this engaging lesson is just what you're looking for. First, your class will color code Joshua 1 through 9, underlining God's commands and promises, and then participate in a right-left activity based on verse 7, learning what it means to stay focused on God's Word. Students learn about Rahab's story as they braid red yarn while listening for left and right cues adapted from Joshua chapter 2. For instance, Joshua secretly sent 2 men telling them, "Go right now and look over the land, especially Jericho." So they left immediately and entered the house of a woman named Rahab and stayed right there. With the 31 twists of the braid complete, students have a red rope such as the one Rahab left in her window. Students also will hold a melting ice cube with a heart in the center to symbolize Rahab's words, "Our hearts melted." Colorful storyboard pictures that students cut and glue help build the chronology of the Israelites' miraculous Jordan River crossing. A worksheet helps students envision the memorial at Gilgal, made from 12 rocks gathered from the Jordan River. Then they paint their own rocks, adding meaningful words about God's character, creating their own classroom memorial. Finally, students compare the Israelite journey to the Christian journey with a Venn diagram made from hula hoops or rope. Included are 21 paper strips of comparison that students must sort into 3 categories. By noting the similarities, students come to understand the connection between the Israelites' journey to the Promised Land and our journey here on earth as we await our Promised Land, heaven. There we will find that Jesus is our rest.